Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Land Rover Discovery. So from any screen, if you so desire, you can click the home button there and then click the bottom right hand corner one which says the lane you're on, or you can just click this circle with the arrow in it. The display there, you've got kind of a flag and 6 square blocks there. I'm not sure what that signifies, but if you click the 6 square blocks in the bottom left hand corner, it then asks you where to. So we click where to. Address, enter postcode, recent, points of interest, go home. Enter postcode, and we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR. It's automatically defaulted to numbers 5, and the Land Rover system is really good, so even if there's only 2 digits, you don't have to click the space, you can just go straight on to the next one, which is 4, and then it defaults back to letters JS. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. You've put that in, you just have to touch that.
The route is being calculated.
So that's what we want anyway, and you've got yes, you've got options, avoid and save. So we'll click yes.
Please turn left in 1 mile, then turn right.
That's it, we're away.